Welcome to Neurolink meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this space, feel the gentle weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and fresh, and as it leaves, warm and soft. Each breath is a doorway. Each exhale is a release. And in this moment, you are exactly where you need to be. Breathe in deeply now, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, let go of any tension you might be holding. Let go of any thoughts that are not serving this moment. Let go of any stories that are not true right now. Take a slow, deep breath, and as you do, let that feeling of peace expand. Now, let it fill your chest, your shoulders, your entire being. Notice where you feel it in your body. Maybe it's a warmth in your heart, a softness in your belly, a lightness in your head. Now, allow that feeling to grow stronger with each breath. This is your anchor, this feeling of peace, of presence, of being fully alive in the now. Shh. You can return to this anchor whenever you choose. It is always available to you, like a compass pointing home. Shh. Now, let that memory fade gently into the background. Keep the feeling alive. Let it become a quiet hum beneath the surface of your awareness. And as you continue to breathe, I invite you to bring your attention to the present moment, exactly as it is. Not as you think it should be, not as you wish it were, but as it is right now. Shh, shh. feel the air on your skin. Shh. Shh. Feel the subtle sounds around you. Perhaps a distant hum, a bird, the whisper of the wind. Notice them and let them pass through your awareness. With every breath, I am becoming more aware of the present moment. It is as a pace, a veil is lifting, and I can see the world with fresh eyes. Each sound, each sensation, each breath is a new experience, rich with life. I am not lost in the past. I am not anxious about the future. I am here, now, fully alive. Breathe in peace. Breathe out gratitude. With each inhalation, I am drawing in the energy of the present moment. With each exhalation, I am releasing the need to be anywhere else. I am enough, exactly as I am, right here, right now. I can feel the stillness within me growing stronger. It is not a stillness of emptiness, but a stillness of fullness, a deep, vibrant peace that holds all of life. No, not a co-stuffs, it's the stillness is my true nature. It has always been here, waiting for me to notice. And now I am noticing. My mind is becoming quiet, like a lake settling after a breeze. The ripples of thought are slowing down. I can see the clear, still water beneath. In this clarity, the present moment is a gift, and I am unwrapping it with every breath. I am noticing the beauty in the simple things, the light, the warmth, the sensation of being alive. Maud, I am grateful for this moment, for this body, for this life. Take a deep breath now, and as you exhale, let any remaining tension dissolve. Let any remaining thoughts float away like leaves on a stream. You are not your thoughts. You are the vast open sky in which they appear. And the sky is always clear, always peaceful, always present. I am anchored in the now. This anchor is strong and steady. No matter what happens around me, I can return to this center. This center of peace, of stillness, of pure awareness. It is my home, and I am always welcome here. And in this now, I am whole. Well, I am complete. I am at peace. The present moment is a doorway to infinite possibility, and I am stepping through it with every breath. I am open to the magic of now. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel a wave of calm wash over you. Let it flow from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. You are bathed in the light of presence. You are held in the embrace of the now. There is nowhere else you need to be. There is nothing else you need to do. Just be. I am the observer of my experience. I watch my thoughts like clouds passing through the sky. I feel my emotions like waves rising and falling. But I am not the clouds. I am not the waves. I am the vast, unchanging presence in which they appear. This presence is my true self. It is timeless, limitless, and free. Take one more deep breath, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, let this feeling of presence settle deeply into your bones. Let it become a part of you, a part of your every moment. You are now carrying this anchor of peace with you. You can access it anytime, anywhere. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues. Even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Stoutly, until we meet again in stillness.